It was very late at night, almost midnight. The city was quiet, too quiet. The street lights were weak, and the road looked empty, like the city was sleeping. I was standing at the bus stop, checking my phone. No new messages. The last bus was late. Very late. I started to feel uncomfortable, like someone was watching me. I looked around. Nothing. Then I heard the sound of an engine. The bus appeared slowly. Its lights were dim, and it stopped in front of me. The doors opened. With a long sound, I stepped inside. The bus was almost empty, cold, and silent. I chose a seat near the middle. As the bus started moving, I felt something was wrong. There were no other stops, no people waiting. I looked at the back. There was one man sitting alone. He was wearing dark clothes. His face was half hidden. He did not move, not even a little. I tried not to stare, but I could feel his eyes on me. The bus turned left, then right. The streets were unfamiliar. This was not my route. I wanted to ask the driver, but the driver did not turn. He did not speak. I looked at the man again. His head was now up. He was looking straight at me. I felt my chest tighten. Suddenly, he spoke in a calm voice. "Why did you come back?" My hands started to shake. "I think you made a mistake," I said quietly. The man smiled, a slow smile. "You said that before," he replied. The lights inside the bus flickered. On, off, on. The bus slowed down and stopped. There was no bus stop, only darkness. The man stood up and walked toward me. One step, then another. I closed my eyes. And then silence. I opened my eyes. I was sitting at the bus stop, alone. The street was normal. The lights were bright. The bus was gone. I checked my phone. One new message. Unknown number. It said, "You remembered this time. If you enjoyed this story, more mysteries are waiting. Subscribe."